the people will come out. There are 900,000 troops there. These 900,000 troops, what are they going to do when they come out? There'll be a bloodbath. Mr. President, has anyone thought that what happens when there is a bloodbath? And we will fight. And when a nuclear-armed country fights to the end, it will have consequences far beyond the borders. It will have consequences for the world, which is why I repeat I'm here. Because I'm warning you, it's not a threat. It's a fair worry that where are we headed? And I've come here to tell the UN, you've got to, this is a test for the United Nations. You are the one who guaranteed the people of Kashmir the right of self-determination.